I recently got a payment of 122,000 from one of the affiliate products I promote recently. So as you can see, that original, the fund for Zenitech most recent payment of $122.50 have been transferred and should be arrived shortly. The status of this payment has now been changed to paid. Allow up to 5 days for the fund to be added to your Zenith bank account if wire method was selected. So this is the message I actually got from one of the affiliate network, and if you check my dashboard, as you can see, I have a total pending of $40 that's going to be paid very soon. And if you check the payment status, like the payment history, so it's loading up over here. So as you can see, this is the payment history. I actually receive a lot of money with this particular platform, which is Impact Radius. So this is the payment that I just received recently, and the payment actually transferred to PayPal account, and a fee of $2.50 was deducted from the transaction. So let's go back to my PayPal account. So this is my PayPal account. As you can see, payment from Impact Radius. We are going to click on it to actually show you that this thing is actually legit. As you can see, I actually received a total sum of $182.50 promoting product on Impact Radius. So in today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can sign up with Impact Radius, how you can actually get your affiliate link, and how you can promote products on Impact Radius. So ensure to watch this video from beginning to the end. And if you are seeing me here for the first time on YouTube, please ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, kindly drop it inside the description below. So without wasting much of your time, let me quickly show you exactly how you can sign up with Impact Radius. The first step I'm going to do is just to sign out. So I want to show you exactly how you can sign in for this account. So I'm going to sign out, then come over to the home page of Impact Radius. I'm going to come to the home page. Let me delete the app, and this is the website, which is impact.com. So impact.com is an affiliate network that allow you to promote, if you want to promote products from different brands like Canva, like Tailwind, different brands like Microsoft. So Impact Radius is one of the largest affiliate network you can actually request for approval and get to be start promoting. So, and they are for influencer, they also are for brand. So this is the for publisher, they are for affiliate marketer, they also are for influencer, if you have mobile app and content publisher. So there are a lot of opportunity here. So all you have to do is just to sign up, get an approval, and start promoting your favorite popular brand. For example, one of the products I actually promote very well, Canva. I actually promote Canva, I promote Tailwind. Different products are actually to make commission. So for you to get started and start promoting products on Impact Radius, so you have to come to this particular section, which is publisher. So on this publisher overview, like they have affiliates, they have influencer and creator. So if you have a social media profile like Instagram account that have over 1,000 followers and more than that, TikTok, you can actually join as influencer or creator. So peradventure you are already made affiliate marketer, you can join as affiliate marketer. So it depends on your own choice, but right now I'm going to show you exactly how you can join as affiliate marketer. So you are going to click on this affiliate to actually join Impact Radius and start promoting products to make money. So this is the dashboard. And as you can see, this particular Impact Radius partner with a lot of brands. Like imagine they partner with Adidas, like Lenovo, different products. All you have to do is just to sign up and start promoting all these products to your audience and start making money. So as you can see, discover Impact Marketplace for affiliate marketer. So you are going to click on sign up today to actually sign up with your email and start promoting. So I think it's loading up. So as you can see, you can sign up and start earning. So for you to get started, you can sign up with your email, you can sign up with Apple, Facebook, Google, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Peradventure you have like followers on this particular platform like Twitter, like LinkedIn, you can sign up and it's going to be integrated to your account. So but you can actually sign up with your email. So you have to enter your first name, the last name, your username, your email, your password and phone number. So but one important thing like I want to point out here is if you are from Nigeria, like, and you actually want to be receiving your payment directly to your bank account, all the details you are going to be using here, please ensure that the detail is actually correct, and more also sign up as a Nigerian so that the money can be directly transferred to your bank account. So the kind of account I'm using is a foreign account. That is why I'm able to withdraw my money directly to PayPal account. So I believe you can be able to navigate the process of signing up, because if I should create another account, I have like 3 or 4 Impact accounts, so I will not bothering about creating another account. So all I have to do is just to sign in over here to my account to show you exactly how you can get instant approval to start promoting product on Impact Traders. So I'm going to log in my account. So and then enter the code that has been sent to my email. So I'm going to the code is, I think it's 5. So then click on verify. So this is my dashboard. So as you can see, this is your dashboard. If you are signing up, all your details are going to be 00. So because you have not promoted any product. So here is exactly how to navigate Impact Radio. So this is the home page and this is the brand section. So on this brand section, you can find a brand. You can actually see your brand that you have been approved to promote. You can actually get an invitee, like probably a brand actually see that you are doing well on Impact Traders. They can invite you to join their brand. So for example, let's find a brand we want to promote over here. So we are going to click on find a brand and it's loading up. So there are a lot of brands some can actually promote on this platform. So if you check this section, we have category, we have different category of brands we can actually promote. So and we also have the type of payment methods. Probably if you are looking for CP, so there's one for online sales, then one for downloads. If probably you are looking for the one that just download the product and you are going to be making sales without even selling the product. So and there is also a lot of sessions you can actually check over here to see the kind of product you want to promote. So but if you have a specific product in mind that you want to promote, all you have to do is just to find the brand. For example, let's search for Tailwind. So as you can see, the reason why I'm getting this check mark is because I've approved for this product and I'm actually approved to promote it. So but if you want to get all the products, all the brands, we are going to click on all the brand over here and you see a lot of products you can actually promote. So let's assume that I want to promote this particular brand, which is Liquid Web. I think it's a hosting platform. So I'm going to click on apply over here, then briefly explain how I'm going to actually promote this product to make a sale. So you are going to explain in details, but before doing that, because most of these brands, they are looking for already made affiliate marketer or influencer. So before you do that, ensure you actually do this thing. So let me click off and come over to settings. You have to come to settings in your account, settings over here, then under the media property, so add and edit property where you can promote the brand. So this one is very, very important. It actually helps you to get approval for all these popular brands. So what you have to do is actually to add your property. Probably you have a website, you have to add it and get it verified. So over here I added like 3 or 4 accounts, which is I have Pinterest account, which is about 11k followers, YouTube, which is about 1.5k followers, and also our Facebook page, which is about 17k followers. So this gives me an edge on getting instant approval. So if you want to add your property, if you have like TikTok account that have followers, and Instagram account, all you have to do is to click on create a media over here. You can add a website and verify your website, social media profile, and if you have an email list. So if you add all those things, when you apply for any deals on Impact Radius, so the company will just check if your profile is actually good and you have the already existing audience for you to get instant approval. So this one is very, very important. So after you have added all these things, so you just have to apply. So let's find products. Let's find the product again. So you just have to click on apply, then just write a short decision telling them that you have the audience already and you are going to be approved. So after approval, for you to get your affiliate link, let's go back to the home page to get our affiliate link. For you to get your affiliate link, so these are the products that I've already applied for and be approved. So for example, let's create a link for Revolt. So revolt.com is a virtual credit card provider. So all you have to do is to copy this affiliate link. If you paste it to another browser, it's going to redirect us to the home page of revolt.com. So and when someone actually sign up to get 3 months free trial, when someone actually sign up with revolt.com, I'm going to make a commission on my Impact Radius. That is exactly how it actually works. So please, if you are getting value in this content I'm trying to produce, please kindly subscribe and give this video thumbs up. Like if you have any question, drop it inside the comment section below. I actually respond to every question. So the last thing we have to do is to actually to set up our payment method. So we have to click on settings over here, settings, then we come to payment profile. So then you locate our payment profile. So the financing, so you are going to click on financings and bank. So this place is very, very important. This is very, very important. So you have to click on bank account. So on this bank account, you can actually transfer your money to PayPal or your bank account. The reason why I'm using PayPal right now is the fact that this particular impact reduce is a US account, and it's requiring me to drop tax RD. But if you are using other country like Nigeria, impact radius, you are not required to enter your tax ID, but the disadvantage is paper option will not be available on this account. So, and I can actually withdraw the money through paper. That is one of the major way to actually withdraw the money. But if you are using Nigeria account, you can just add your Nigeria bank account and it's going to be transferred directly to your Nigeria bank account. Now that you know how to get your affiliate link, so for you to start promoting and start making sales, because that is one of the important things we have to do. So there are a lot of platforms you can use, like YouTube, like Facebook. So I'm going to be doing consequent video about traffic source I use to generate this income on impact trader. So ensure to actually subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I drop out a new video, you are going to be the first one to actually see my video and watch it to learn. So please and please ensure to subscribe, because that is the only way you can actually make sure you get the latest updates. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to learn exactly how to start affiliate marketing, so ensure to watch this next video. I'll actually make a tutorial about how you can start JVisual affiliate marketing, so ensure to watch it. I will see you in my next video. Bye.